Hello friends, this is the video to learn how to uninstall from your laptop Microsoft Visual Studio. Click on these three dots and uninstall. Simple way, just click this start settings apps and install apps. In this list you find out this Microsoft Visual Studio, three dots and uninstall. Again click on uninstall, click on yes, and once this uninstalling process complete, you have to restart your PC. Thanks for watching.